Today we're learning how to use frames in Tkinter to structure our GUI layouts. Frames act like containers for widgets, helping keep things organized. Every Tkinter app starts with a root window. Title sets the window name, and geometry sets the size. This frame acts like a box inside our window. Pack positions it, and padding ensures it's not stuck to the edges. Frames can contain widgets. Here's a label inside our blue frame. Notice how it's isolated from the rest of the window. Nested frames go inside other frames. Left frame acts like a sidebar, right frame fills the remaining space. Labels show how widgets can be organized in each frame. Add a footer using fill equals x to stretch across the bottom. This shows how frames can organize areas in real layouts. Here's the full layout. Blue frame, nested pink sidebar, orange content, and footer. Frames make layouts modular, so you can add, move, or resize sections easily. We learn frames, nesting, and layout basics in Tkinter. In the next video, we'll create a dashboard with buttons.